How to use multiple accounts on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to use multiple accounts on Instagram, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Instagram app. Now on bottom right hand side of your screen, you will find a profile icon. So simply tap and hold on it for few seconds. And then you will see this kind of pop-up. So here on bottom of your screen, you will find this option, add more Instagram account. So tap on it. Now tap and log into existing account. And then you will see this option, so tap and use another profile. Now simply enter the username of the account that you want to use, so type it. So after typing, tap on password. Now type the password of your account and then tap and login. Now it will ask you to save your login info, so simply select whatever you want. Now here you can see I have successfully logged into another account. So this is how you can use multiple accounts on Instagram. If you want to switch back to your older account, again tap and hold on the profile icon located on bottom of the screen and then simply switch your profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.